Alright, so today we're going to learn a lesson on how to round numbers to their nearest hundred. First, we're going to go over some rules. So whenever we see a number, the first thing that we have to do is remember rule number 1, which is look at the number that's in the hundreds place. Does everyone know where the hundreds place is in a number? Good, awesome. So now, rule number 2 is we then have to look at what number is in the tens place. So after we've looked at the hundreds place, we write whatever that number is and the next following 100. We then look at what is in the tens place to decide if we're going to round up to the next 100 or keep it down. And that is rule number 3, that 5 and up rounds up, 4 and below keeps it low. So can everyone say that? 5 and up, raise, round up, 4 and below, keep it low. Awesome job. Alright, so now let's try to practice that a little bit. So let's look at the very first number that we have. 470. So 400 is the number that's in the hundreds place. It's the first digit of the number. The next hundreds place would be 500. So if we run a number line like this, we write the 400 and write the 500. And then rule number 2 says that we look at the number that's in the tens place, which is a 7. So because it's a 7, what do? We will round up to 500. Because 500 is in next. 100 place from. Now let's rule again. Which one? The first one, the second one? No, the little poem. 5 and up, round it up. 4 and below, keep it low. So the 7 tells us we round up to the next 100. So now let's look at our next number. 212. So rule number 1 says that we look at the number in the hundreds place. So that's a 200. This is the first digit of the number. Then we write that and the next following 100, which is 300. Rule number 2 says that we look at the number in the tens place, which is 1, which is 10, which then we would round down. So the third rule, because it's 4 or below, we keep it low. So we keep it at 200. Everyone understand? Yeah. So now we're going to do some practice ones. And you guys can come up and write them. So we got 313 or 213. That's 300. Well, I'm going to do that part. That's cool. Number 5. Alright, we'll keep 3 up for now. So there's room for everyone. Who wants to go first? Oh. I think Shelby's going first. And Lisa, you can come on up. Okay, so wait. So let's look first. Rule number 1 says that we look where? This one. The hundreds place. Awesome. So the first number on the number line, you can write a 200. 200. Alright, and then we write the next following 100, which, so the next one up would be a 300. No. I got the easy one. How did you know it was 300? Oh, because it has 2 zeros. That's really easy. That one's easy. Do you want to try the next one? Okay. Okay, so we look at the number in the tens place to decide if we round it up or round it down. I thought we started off with this number. Yep, that's the 100, and the next following 200. This is 5 or above, it is above. Good job. job. So we round it up.
Wait, so this would actually be
200. Good job.
I was 15 years.
Other people want to try? Oh, yes. You want to be told?
No, I'm fine.
Alright, so we look at the number in the hundreds place, which is a 3. Then we look at it in the tens, and we decide to we round up to the next hundred, or keep it down.
We're going to keep it down.
Because it's round, you know.
Nope. We're rounding to the nearest 100. So the answer will either be 300 or 400.
Oh, I'll make it 3.
Good idea. Good job. Karen, I think you had the last one.
So remember to look at the hundreds place first. So look at the tens place, which is, what number is in the tens place? 7.
Good job. So is that up or down? Good job. All right, so now we're going to take a quiz.